Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May salam and peace upon you, and may salam and peace in all the things that you do. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this session, I will teach you how to make difference between the letters. But before starting the video, there are a few things that I want to put them in front of you. First of all, there is no shortcut for getting knowledge, for getting Arabic alphabets, their sounds, their shape, except practice. As- And as I told you, the more you practice, the better you get. Secondly, in this session, you will get some tricks that will help you further, insha'Allah ta'ala. Okay, let's see how it works. There are 28 letters as you got from previous sessions, but there's a strange thing that there is 19 different shapes. 19 different shapes make 28 letters. It is strange, but I will tell you how it works. First, Alif. Simple, easy peasy, no doubt, like Alif, like it's quite similar to one, right? Alif. So simple. But here we go. Ba, Ta, and Sa. As you see, as you can see that Ba, Ta, and Sa, they have same shape, but their dots make difference. Ba has one dot below. You can see there is a one dot under the ba. So when you see a dot below that shape, so it means that this is ba. And when you see two dots at the top, the same shape, so it means that letter is ta. And when you see three dots at the top, so it means that this is sa. Got it? Ba, ta, and sa. Dots make difference. Ba, one dot below. Ta, two dots at the top. Tha, three dots at the top. I hope you got me. Then, Jim, Ha, and Kha. Again, same shape. But there is a quite difference between Jim, Ha, and Kha, and that difference is in dots. Jim has one dot in the middle. Ha does not has any dot. It is without any dot. Ha. And Ha, it has one dot at the top. So Jim, Ha, and Ha. When you make difference between Jim, Ha, and Ha, so their dot will help you. Jim in the middle, Ha without, Ha one dot at the top. Let's see. Dal and Zal. Dal and Zal. Without dal, without dot, it is dal. And one dot at the top, it is zal. Ra, za. Same is the case with ra and za. Without dot, ra. With dot at the top, za. Easy. Seen and sheen. Again, same shape, but with different dots. Sin does not has any dot. Sheen, yeah, it has three dots. So, sa and sheen. How can we make difference between sa and sheen? Sa has three dots and sheen has two. But one thing that will make difference between sheen and sa, and it is their shape. You got me? Sa, sheen, sa, sheen. Different shape. Three dots, but different shape. All right. Sod and dot. Sod without dot. Dot with one dot. Ta and za. Ta without la, one at the top. Ain and ghain. Same is the case with ain and ghain. Here, fa, qaf, and kaf. Fa totally different. It is totally different from qaf, kaf, lam, mim. So it has its own shape with one dot. Fa. Qaf with two dots at the top. Yes, there were two dots on the ta, but qaf and ta, there's a big difference between ta and qaf, so there is no confusion, right? Qaf and ta. Kaf, the soft one without any dot. Lam without any dot in in a shape which is totally different from other letters. Meme, you see, noon with one dot in the middle, but one dot in the middle, as I told you, Jim has one dot in the middle, but there is a difference. There's a difference between noon and Jim, and that difference, we can get that difference from the dot, from the shape, and we can get that difference from the shapes, right? Wow, ha, hamza, ya, ya. Ya has two dots in the bottom. You can see two dots under the ya, right? So that shape with two dots, it is called ya, and that shape too, ya and ya. All right, this is how it works. I hope you got this. جزاكم الله خير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.